All right, so this is the seal that we've got to get out. I'm going to take it out because this one I think is damaged, you know? And the way you get it out is you're just going to kind of pop it over like this. Follow me? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my flathead and I'm just going to get like right on this spot there. And then I just want to pop it, you know, just kind of pop it off. I don't want to damage this, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take it, I'm just going to give it a little smack like this. Just going to kind of hit it. It just pops out. And we got to be careful because we don't want to damage that. Because if we do, then we got a leak. So let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Set it there. And this was the old one, right? No, oh, look, the thing didn't come. The thing is in there still. I got to pull that out too. That's got to come out. So make sure you get that out. You see that? That was still in there. Now I got to clean that. So I'm going to get a little rag. So we've got this soft rag here. I'm going to just get in there and twist it. Try to get it as clean as possible. You see? Because you don't want anything in there. Now my thing I'm worried about is that little nick there. But it wasn't leaking on that new one that I put in. So, I mean, should be okay. I mean, do I need to get a new housing? I hope not. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So you want to get this pretty nice and clean. Not feeling any problems there. Let's get in there, smush it out. And I'm gonna wait to put my seal in until I'm ready to go ahead and to reassemble everything when I get these two new pieces in. Right? But anyway, that's it. The thing I'm worried about is right there. See that little scarring right there? That kind of worries. Yeah, we'll find out, I guess, when we put it back together.